FISBA READYBeam, a compact multi-color laser source. FISBA READYBeam is a turnkey solution with embedded driver electronics and temperature control. Due to its smart architecture, the module comes with a high laser power stability over time. It has an excellent beam quality. FISBA READYBeam Bio combines the key excitation wavelengths used in life science analytical instruments. For example, for fluorescence excitation in analytical instruments and microscopy. FISBA READYBeam IND combines key wavelengths used in material science and industrial processing applications. For example, in metrology and machine vision. FISBA READYBeam is a simple, compact, and powerful option to dramatically reduce the footprint, development time, and integration risk of multicolor laser sources. Interested? Contact us. Profit from our optical expertise.